Hello guys! Informative blocks here. This is the second tutorial of the Modern Splash Screen series. In this video, you can learn how to style our splash screen window. So, let's start. Select the app name label and go to the property editor and change the font style and size as shown in the video. Next, do the same with the app description and percentage label. Now, change the font style of the status and author label in the footer frame. As you can see, the height of the splash screen window is not static. To fix this issue, set the minimum height of the app logo frame to 200 pixels. Set the vertical alignment of the app description label to align center. Now, we're going to style our progress bar. Select and right-click on the progress bar and click on the Set Style Sheet. After that, write the code as shown in the video to style the progress bar. Set the background color of the progress bar, then set the border style to none. After that, set the border radius to 5 pixels. Now, set the color of the text of the progress bar, and set the text alignment to the center. Now, style the chunk of the progress bar. Set the border radius of the chunk to 5 pixels. Next, to add the background color of the chunk, click on the Add Gradient, then click on the New to create new linear gradient. Now, set the starting color and final color. After that, set the minimum and maximum height of the progress bar to 10 pixels. Then, select the progress frame, and go to the property editor. In the layout section, set the layout left and right margins to 30 pixels, so that our progress bar gets slightly indented in the center. Next, change the percentage label value to 24%. Now, there is a central widget of our splash screen, and in this central widget, we have two frames named App Logo and Background. Right-click on the central widget and select Change Style Sheet, and write the code as shown in the video to change the background and font color of the app. Set the background color of the widget by clicking on the Add Color and select Color. Now, set the color of all label widgets to white. Now, click the window +R to show the preview of the splash screen window. Then, select the central widget and go to the layout section and set all margins to 0. Next, right-click on the central widget and select Change Style Sheet. After that, set the border radius of the Q widget to 12 pixels. Now, our splash screen window is ready. Let's save it in your PyCharm project directory as splashscreen.ui. I already created a PyCharm project, you can create it on your side. Press Window +R to see the preview of the app. And here is your second tutorial on the style splash screen is completed. In the next video, we will create a main window that will open after the splash screen. Leave your like and subscribe to Informative Blocks to not miss any videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.